Major upgrade. Major upgrades usually occur because there are changes to the contents of our program code, making it not backward compatible. It is best to avoid this as much as possible. However, if it cannot be avoided, the best strategy is to change the module name. We will perform a major upgrade on the first module by adding a parameter name of type string to the hello world function. Typically, in the Go community, for a major upgrade, the module name will be appended with v2. After the changes are completed, we will create a tag for the second version of the module, and of course, we will push it to GitHub so that the changes can be accessed by others. To call the first module and the second module after the major upgrade, first, we need to remove the previous module dependency. Then, we will initialize the module with the go mod init command using the new module name. After that, we will attempt to make changes to the hello world function in the second module by adding a parameter name with the value lemon-code 21. After running the program, we will see that the output matches the changes we made. Thus, we have completed the steps related to Go modules. Next, we can proceed with other Go topics, such as testing.